Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that every tabletop RPG enthusiast will want to know about, the Game Master's deck of Boons and Banes. We found this fantastic deck online, and you can check the description below for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Game Master's deck of Boons and Banes? This unique card set is designed specifically for 5th edition role-playing games, offering 40 game-changing, character-shifting cards along with a companion book. It's an innovative tool for game masters looking to enhance their storytelling and gameplay experience by introducing unexpected twists and turns into their campaigns. Now, let's dive into some of the standout features of this deck. Firstly, there are 40 beautifully illustrated cards, each representing a specific boon or bane. Boons are positive effects that can enhance a character's abilities, while banes introduce challenges and obstacles that players must navigate. This duality adds depth and unpredictability to your game sessions. The companion book is another highlight. It provides detailed explanations of each card, along with suggestions on how to integrate them into your sessions seamlessly. Whether you're a seasoned game master or just starting out, this guide will help you understand how to implement these cards effectively, ensuring that they complement your narrative without feeling forced. Who is this product suitable for? This deck is perfect for game masters of all experience levels. If you're looking to spice up your campaigns and introduce new dynamics, this deck can be a game changer. It's ideal for groups that enjoy a mix of strategy and spontaneity, as it encourages players to adapt and think on their feet. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine your players are deep in a dungeon, battling their way through hordes of monsters. You can play a boon card that temporarily enhances their attack powers, giving them a fighting chance against overwhelming odds. Alternatively, you might introduce a bane card that causes a sudden cave-in, forcing your players to think creatively to escape. These scenarios not only keep players engaged but also foster collaborative problem-solving and creativity, making each session unique and memorable. In addition, the deck can help to balance gameplay. If you have a particularly powerful character in your group, introducing bane cards can level the playing field, ensuring that challenges remain exciting for everyone involved. It also gives players a sense of agency. They can strategize and decide when to use their boons to maximize their impact on the game. One of the best aspects of the Game Master's deck of Boons and Banes is its versatility. You can use it in any fantasy setting, whether you're running a classic dungeon crawl or a more narrative-driven campaign. The elements of surprise and unpredictability make each session feel fresh, even for long-running groups. Overall, the Game Master's deck of Boons and Banes is a fantastic addition to any RPG toolkit. It enhances gameplay by introducing new elements of chance and strategy, fostering a more dynamic and engaging experience for both game masters and players alike. If you want to elevate your role-playing sessions and create memorable moments, this deck is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.